time it is. It's time to switch out this motherfucker with the beauty. Oh baby, this is finally going to be implemented into the CRX. So fucking excited. Whew. So what I was actually waiting for, I had bought this probably like 7-8 months ago, but did not have this base plate, and that's what was basically stopping me from installing it. But then once I got the base plate, then there was something else that was stopping me. I did not have enough screws, so I had to go ahead and buy some, and these are gold and they're gonna look very nice with this right here to match the theme. The inside is like this red burgundy with the gold, so I'm gonna keep that trend on the entire car. So let's go ahead and take this motherfucker apart. So first thing I have to do is I'm gonna obviously have to take off these 6 bolts. Then I'm gonna take off this actual steering wheel, and you're gonna see the hub exposed. I'm gonna attach this onto the hub, and then I'm going to attach the steering wheel onto this part right here, and we should have 2 separate parts that should be connected together. Now I got all the bolts out, took this part out right here, and steering wheel should come off just like that. Now this is not the best steering wheel, but it has done well for however many years I've had it. Put this aside because that's where the electrical connectors are going to be connected to this right here. Boom. First, what I got to do is gotta install this right up in there. I'm going to connect my lead right here. Okay, cool. These right here, pretty cool. Should match up pretty nicely with the red. Booyah! So we got this bad boy on, and that is stuck up in there. So now what I want to test is just to make sure that this will actually fit on there. Oh baby, oh that is so nice. Oh my god, I gotta hold on. This looks fucking insane, bro. This might work. I'm in love. I am in love right now. That was looking sexy. Sexy. I'll put the cap back on. Make sure everything is lined up. Alright, we got one in. I want to put these in diagonally to distribute the pressure. Alright, everything is good. I just want to see if the horn works. Alright, horn does not work, but oh baby, I can just take this shit off. But as you can see, this thing is not seated properly. Looks like I over tightened this side before tightening this side, so I'm gonna fix that real quick. It's looking pretty flush all around. Pretty good. So now let's see, moment of truth, me putting it back on. Holy shit. That is a fucking miracle. That is a beauty. That is awesome. Oh my god. I'm literally just gonna go in dry places just to be able to take off my fucking steering wheel and look cool. Oh man, so this thing is pretty fucking cool. I really want to really see how this is gonna make a difference. Me getting in and out of the car. I'm 6'3", as you can see. I'm already fucking hitting the top, and I have to put like my seat all the way back. Unnecessary. It's too much. So these are my knees, guys. These are my knees. This is how the steering column is right here. So this is gonna be incredible. I'm gonna have so much leg room. I can just boom, put this to the side, hang it. I'll probably put like a little hang rack right here, just like right there. Boom, like hang it somewhere. But boom, this is like boom, ready to fucking go. This is insane. I think the best way to do this is if we do a comparison how I get in the car, being a big ass motherfucker like myself, versus no quick release and quick release. So I think it's gonna be a huge difference. My knees have never thanked me this much. This is gonna be perfect. So I have to say, this thing is phenomenal. Like I can't even put words together, guys. But just having this thing, like for instance, just look, like if you guys didn't see it in the video, just look at exactly how much leg room I have. Like, okay, my clutch here, boom, gas. I'm literally like hitting this shit all the fucking time. Okay, now since I have this little extension, I do have like more space. It's higher up, closer towards me, so I do have some space right up in this area. So it is cool, a little bit higher. But guys, the fact that I can take this thing off, give me a second. Like the fact that I can do this, it's so funny because for most of you guys this must be like a necessity, like the first thing you guys do, but for me, I've never ever done this. I've always wanted to do something like this, and now I have it. I just have to figure out this whole horn situation. I do want to still use a horn. The steering column broke, and the architecture behind like very much mechanical, like on contact, so it came to the point where it broke and there was a constant contact, so my horn was always on. Worst thing ever happened. But dude, seeing this, like how this is right now, is fucking incredible. Like I couldn't ask for any more. Like this, and like the color scheme goes perfect, like with the gold tachometer. Like I don't know if you can kind of see that, and then just the red goes good with the red. Like I just need to find some fucking pedals. Like that's about it. I have to finish putting the header panel on, but like all I can really do right now, because I haven't started my job, is kind of just clean it, maintain it, make sure I do all the basic maintenance. But this is just something that I've been wanting to do for ever, so I said might as well do it. But don't be surprised if the coilovers go on tomorrow, or I do something crazy or whatever. Yeah, this is a very, very cheap way to mod out your car, and this is a pretty cool way to mod your car. I mean, come on. I mean, like, who wouldn't want to see this setup? Like, I don't know, I think it's a pretty nice setup and shit. Like, yeah, look at all the room I have now.
That looks like what you would buy from a store. Look at all the floor space. So much aerobics in here. So many activities.
So like, look, my knees are together. But yeah, this car was not meant for a big guy to begin with, but this is so cool. I mean, I would recommend this 10 out of 10. So I'll do like a price list of how much everything costs later on. I still have to do the same thing with the brakes, but I just want to show you guys exactly what's been going on and how I've been trying to maintain progress on the car. It has been very hard because now I've just been really focusing on getting a job. I already have that, so now I just have to do very well at my job, which I know I will, and just see the improvements start happening in my life, in this car, and just in all around. You know, I see a very an upward battle that I'm fighting that is just gonna get easier. So I'm very, very excited. Thank you guys so much for like continuing with the program, continuing with this channel. I know I haven't posted that much, but I mean, shit happens, you know. I feel like I'm gonna make shirts that just literally say that, like in Forrest Gump, shit happens, because shit does happen. And you know, we get busy, and it's so funny because a lot of these YouTubers do this shit every single fucking day. I have no idea how they do it. This is just something for me to do fun, just to update, you know, a community. I love the CRX community, and I love the people that are a part of it, and I just want to do my part to give back to that community, because the reason why my car is still alive after 7 years of owning it is because of the forums and Red Pepper Racing. And we all know what happened to Red Pepper Racing. It's down right now. I'm trying to get it back up, so I'm just trying to contribute to the Reddit. If you're not on the Reddit, follow me on Frankie Strokes. And yeah, you know, if you like this video and got a kick out of it, you know, I have a 1987 CRX, and you really don't see these modifications on these cars anymore. Just because it's just unorthodox. The car is just so old. So I'm trying to get by, you know, trying to be one of the first. So Rocket Bunny kit coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, make sure to like, subscribe, watch more of our videos, and just give a comment down below to see what else you'd like to see. Like I said, I have the ground control coilovers coming in. I still have to put on the header panel. I have a bunch of other ECU stuff that I want to do, start finicking with that, and just trying to learn, you guys, just trying to get better and stuff. Ideally, I want to get this thing tunable by the end of the year. I think that's doable. I have to change a couple things. I know Roy's Garage has already done something like that. I just have to do a vacuum delete and make everything electronical with the distributor. So that's just updating it to, I think, from a 92 to a 2000 Civic. You use that distributor, and you have to do it. Yeah, you need an adapter plate, all this other bullshit. So just trying to stay on top of it. Like I said, I'm happy as fuck. I'm ecstatic with how this turned out. So I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna enjoy the fact that my fucking knees are not gonna hit anymore. And like always, guys, go out there, get it, go after it, turn on your goddamn motor. Like always, stay boosted, keep that shit into high gear, and make the best out of your life. Stay boosted.